not that the coolest thing ever? That was just, that was so phenomenal, flying with the birds. I'm glad I didn't hit none of them, or none of them hit me. But it was like I was one of them, man. That's crazy. Christmas Eve day, just one battery pack flight. I think this is going to be some uncut footage. Merry Christmas to all you guys out there. Hey, if you're not a subscriber, hit below. Sometimes I get some interesting videos like this. I hope you enjoyed this one. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.